Okay guys, welcome back to Modern Menace. This is my 12th tutorial on HTML web page development. So in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new topic I wanted to introduce in my previous video, that's lesson 11. However, it's a bit difficult, so I don't want to confuse you with all the keywords and stuff. So let's get started. I'm going to introduce you to something called a class. Now here's how it works. So it's like let's say you create a specific style. This is somehow purely CSS. Like you create a specific style. If you give it a class, then unless if you create other can't really explain that one, so let me just stop right there and get right to it. So let me come here. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is basically what I'm trying to talk about. So we've got our style here, and we're about to edit a block of elements or something, and we've got I'll use the div tag, the div keyword I showed you earlier. So div, normally this is how we will do it in C, that's in the HTML CSS, just div space this and this, and we type whatever we want inside here. However, I think as I was doing the list, you saw me using some dots. I type hash that's pound sign and menu inside also. Yeah. So here's what we're going to do: div then dots. Now, I think I'm going to be talking about cities again. So cities. Yes. Div dot then cities. Now let me try. Yeah, I'll leave it here. Let me type something real quick in the body. First thing, div tag, div, sorry, opening. Okay, then P for paragraph. Then let's go. Paris is the most populous. Now I'm not talking about how popular it is, but rather like the number of people living in the most populous city in France. Oh no, this is a bit too short. Let me just type something on anime. I love animes. Just typing something about myself right here. Ignore the spelling errors, but this is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so this is it. Now here's what we're going to type. Here's what we're going to do. Over here we will type class class, then is equal to, and our cities. Now the cities that I've typed over here, the same thing over here. So this is actually the class that we've created, and this is showing that this is the class for the class. So now let's edit it a bit. Okay, then what to do, what not to do. Background color, make this blue, color, make this blue goes with pink. Not really sure, but just saying pink. Font family, I won't change from font family this time, but I'll do text align. No, that won't work. Okay, I think let me just leave it right here. So let me save this, and here's what we get, just a long line. However, okay, let me just add some more things to make it look a bit nicer. A bit by myself. Okay, now then okay, so now let me copy this. First of all, save, and let me get a change here. Okay, that's it. So now I'm going to copy this whole block of text, copy, pasted it. Now let me remove the class or cities inside it, save, and here's what we're going to get. The same text, same horizontal rule, however it won't be edited like the way this has, and that is because we did not introduce this class element to it. We did not tell the browser that the editing going to be done for this is supposed to be for the cities. So for example, let me create another class. This is actually mostly used in HTML, sorry, in computer programming. We'll get used to it soon. Let me make this cities2. So the first, let me just say this, I just want to say this, the first element here shows the tag that we're talking about, and in this case is the div tag, and the second element here shows the class that we're talking about, or the class that we are assigning it to, and that's our class over here, the city, showing that the cities. So let me change this, I'll change this to black, change this to white, and going to give this a class of cities 2. So save, refresh. Well, I must have made a mistake somewhere, because if this didn't work, there is a mistake somewhere coming. Huh. Where have I made the mistake? Oh, Why isn't it working? Okay, let me just try changing this to variable, and let's see what happens if I change this also to variable. I don't really know why that's happening. It's just supposed to work. Background color has been set to white like the Revolutions. I don't know why this isn't working. Should work. No, I ain't accepting this. No way. I will look more into that. Forgive me for wasting your time. I will look more into that and correct that. So now the class again can also be this class that I'm teaching can also be used for other things. For example, the span that I taught you earlier. Let's use it here. Span dot notes, or no, span dot highlight. This is to using the double tags that I'm doing this. Okay, then that's what we're going to do. We're going to span this text. Yeah. Okay, we're going to span the text manga. Let's see what happens. Span. Oh, sorry, forgot to add this. Class is equal to highlight. Yep. Now background color, I'll set that as black. And I'll set the color as white. Now, yikes. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So save, and as I refresh here, as you can see, this has been edited. Now let me try something. Well, I think I've got a clue as to what's caused that problem. So make this okay. I've got a clue as to what caused that problem earlier. Same notes. I think I said the class as notes and span. Everything here is correct. Save, refresh, and it's working. Okay, now I do not know where I'm mistaken. Okay, it's working. I do not know where I'm mistaken. Well, that's alright. You can be a with your little nonsense. Okay, so now I'm trying to redo this whole block again, and instead of changing this to cities 2, I'm gonna change it to village. If it's not a city, then it's a village. If it's not a village, then it's a city. I think I gotta become a rapper. Change this divs class to village. save, refresh. Okay, so like now it's working, but if I change it to, okay, let me actually edit this a bit. Yellow, and yellow goes with pink as far as I know, almost. Anyway, I think I know where the problem is now. If I change it back to cities 2, save, and I refresh. Oh, sorry for that. And I refresh, it still works. Okay, then there might have been a technical problem. I think a technical problem might have caused that uneasiness, that's, or the problem that occurred. I don't really know why that happened. Maybe I didn't close a tab or something. But this is pretty much all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you do not understand anything that I have done over here, you can rewatch the video in number of times you have to understand it. Don't forget to tell your friends and family about this who you think will be interested in web development, and also subscribe to the channel, like my videos, watch the videos to the end so that you will understand everything. And thank you. Goodbye. Skyboy out.